Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with 3 immediate actions. Back up your data, prepare a bootable USB installer, and mount the new drive. Once done, power down the system and ground yourself. Static kills components. Make sure the SSD is seated and cables locked, SATA or M, 2 screws tightened. You don't need to fiddle with BIOS yet. Label cables if helpful, then power up to confirm the new SSD is recognized in firmware. If it appears, shut down and proceed to cloning. You now clone the original drive to the new SSD. Choose sector-by-sector cloning for identical systems, otherwise use file-level cloning to resize partitions. Boot from your cloning USB if the OS is in use, then select source and target precisely. Make sure the target has correct alignment and partition table, GPT for UEFI systems, because improper alignment costs speed. Start cloning and watch for verification. If the tool reports read errors, pause and consider a surface check on the source. Resume after resolving bad sectors. You finish by swapping drives or setting the new SSD as first boot device in BIOS. Once you boot, confirm the operating system loads cleanly and drivers install. Test apps and check disk-free space. If the system won't boot, reboot into the installer or recovery environment, run automatic boot repair, and verify UEFI/legacy mode and OSI versus RAID settings. One key troubleshooting tip. If cloning looks successful but boot fails,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.